Your mind is a powerful tool. Reframe your thoughts and watch your world transform.
Are you ever curious about the secret conversations happening inside your mind? What if I told you that these inner dialogues hold the key to unlocking a whole new world of possibilities? Welcome to our journey today, where we delve into the fascinating realm of self-talk. It's more than just the chatter in our heads. It's the silent force shaping our beliefs, actions, and ultimately, our reality. Picture this. Once you speak to yourself correctly, the shift happens. It's a bold claim, but stick with me, and you'll discover just how achievable and transformative it can be. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the profound impact of self-talk on our lives. This is where the journey to personal empowerment begins. Let's start by understanding what self-talk truly means. It's those conversations we have with ourselves throughout the day, whether we're aware of them or not. Self-talk isn't just idle chatter. It's the lens through which we perceive ourselves and the world around us. Think of it as the narrator of your life story, shaping your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. Now, self-talk can be both a friend and a foe. Positive self-talk empowers us, boosts our confidence, and fuels our ambitions. On the other hand, negative self-talk can be incredibly damaging, breeding self-doubt, anxiety, and limiting beliefs. Understanding the power of self-talk is the first step towards mastering it and harnessing its potential for positive change. Now let's explore the profound impact self-talk has on our mindset, emotions, and behavior. Research has shown that our internal dialogue significantly influences how we perceive ourselves and the world. Positive self-talk can uplift our mood, enhance our resilience, and increase our chances of success. Conversely, negative self-talk can drag us down, erode our self-esteem, and hold us back from reaching our full potential. Our inner thoughts have the power to shape our reality, influencing the choices we make and the paths we take in life. By understanding and harnessing the power of self-talk, we can unlock a whole new level of personal growth and fulfillment. Now let's talk about the concept of the shift in self-talk. It's about consciously reframing our inner dialogue from negative to positive, from self-criticism to self-compassion. This shift isn't about denying reality or pretending everything is perfect. It's about adopting a more empowering perspective that serves our highest good. And here's the exciting part. This shift is not only achievable, but also relatively easy with the right approach. It's about cultivating awareness, practicing self-compassion, and choosing thoughts that align with our aspirations and values. The shift begins with a simple decision to change the way we speak to ourselves, and from there, the possibilities are endless. Let's shine a light on the common patterns of negative self-talk that may be holding us back. Whether it's self-doubt, perfectionism, or comparison, we all have our own inner critics whispering doubts and fears in our ears. But here's the thing. Awareness is the first step towards transformation. By recognizing and acknowledging our negative self-talk patterns, we can begin to loosen their grip on our psyche. It's about observing our thoughts without judgment and understanding that they do not define us. Together, we can reclaim our inner narrative and rewrite the script of our lives with positivity and self-compassion. Now let's dive into practical strategies for rewriting our internal script from negative to positive. It's about reframing limiting beliefs into empowering affirmations, turning I can't into I can, and I'm not into I am. One powerful technique is cognitive restructuring, where we challenge and replace negative thoughts with more realistic and constructive ones. Additionally, practicing gratitude, self-compassion, and mindfulness can help cultivate a more supportive inner dialogue. Remember, every thought we think is a choice, and by choosing thoughts that uplift and inspire us, we can create a life filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. Now that we understand the importance of positive self-talk, let's explore how to implement the shift in our daily lives. It starts with setting intentions and consciously monitoring our thoughts. Whenever we catch ourselves engaging in negative self-talk, we can pause, take a deep breath, and reframe our thoughts in a more positive light. It's about consistency and practice, consciously choosing self-compassion over self-criticism, especially during challenging times. And remember, small shifts in our inner dialogue can lead to big changes in our outer reality. So, let's commit to nurturing a more loving and supportive relationship with ourselves, one thought at a time. Now let's explore how the shift in self-talk can ripple outwards and positively impact various areas of our lives. When we cultivate a mindset of self-love and empowerment, we become more resilient in the face of adversity, more confident in pursuing our dreams, and more open to opportunities for growth and transformation. In our relationships, we communicate more authentically, set healthier boundaries, and foster deeper connections based on mutual respect and understanding. In our careers, we approach challenges with a growth mindset, seize opportunities for learning and development, and ultimately, thrive in our chosen paths. The ripple effect of positive self-talk extends far beyond ourselves, touching the lives of everyone we encounter and creating a ripple of positivity that reverberates throughout the world. As we embark on this journey of self-discovery and transformation, it's important to acknowledge that challenges may arise along the way. From self-doubt and fear of failure to external pressures and setbacks, we may encounter obstacles that test our resolve. But here's the good news. Every challenge is an opportunity for growth and resilience. We can navigate through adversity with grace and resilience by cultivating self-awareness, self-compassion, and a growth mindset. Surrounding ourselves with supportive communities and seeking guidance from mentors can also provide valuable encouragement and perspective. Remember, the path to positive self-talk is not always smooth, but with determination and perseverance, we can overcome any obstacle and emerge stronger than ever before. As we end our journey together, let's take a moment to recap the key insights we've uncovered. We've explored the profound impact of self-talk on our mindset, emotions, and behavior. Discovering how our inner dialogue shapes our reality, we've learned about the power of positive self-talk to uplift and empower us, as well as the importance of recognizing and reframing negative self-talk patterns. We've discussed practical strategies for implementing the shift in self-talk, from cognitive restructuring to mindfulness and self-compassion. And most importantly, we've seen that the shift in self-talk is achievable and within reach for everyone. Now, I encourage you to take action. Start by cultivating awareness of your own self-talk patterns and consciously choosing thoughts that empower and uplift you. Practice gratitude, self-compassion, and mindfulness daily, and watch as your inner dialogue transforms into a source of strength and resilience. Remember, the journey to positive self-talk is a process, but with dedication and perseverance, you can create a life filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more inspirational content on personal growth and empowerment. Together, let's continue to empower ourselves and others to embrace the transformative power of positive self-talk. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and until next time, may your inner dialogue be filled with love, kindness, and endless possibilities.